It's March 5, 2020, and I've just released this male canary, one who was hatched and raised here about 5 years ago with this female canary, which I just purchased from Stewart's Bird Farm in what town is that? Well, it doesn't matter. And she's been here just 5 days, and I've been conditioning these birds on regular food plus some egg food and crushed eggshells to build up calcium for her bird laying, egg laying. So this is just to register that it's the first time they've been placed together, although separated by a barrier, to see their pre-mating behavior, which should include him feeding her through the bars and billing and cooing, I guess you'd call it. Anyway, let me back off and get things in focus here. So I'm looking forward to nesting behavior starting up, who knows, a day or two, a week, hard to say. But they seem both to be happy and healthy canaries. Okay, talk to you later.